got fuel up. Got a little splash in here. And get some suction going, go. I think you're turning too far. I don't like too far, just a little bit. Just slowly do it a little bit. Because when you let off, then I get a spray. Let off. Let off. Huh? And it's kept cranking. No. So what are you saying you're doing? On the key. Alright, so go again. Let off. Go again and let off. Just let it go, and then stop. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. It's doing it. Keep going. That's fucking weird. Go again. Yeah, it's pumping up now. Done. Alright, stop. Right, that's how you get a flame going, and that's how you end up with a... Huh? Mrs. freaks out when we get a fucking kaboom in the car. Okay, so now we've pumped up the fuel. We've filled both fuel lines, fuel filters. Looking down here, we've got a bit of a weed going on. Mullet. Fucking hit it. Go. Don't give it shitloads. Has it got a choke? Should be a choke. You gotta pull something. Yeah, pull it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good start.
Good start. Alright, don't rev it. Don't rev it at all.
It had a choke.
It had a choke. Yeah, I can choke it. Don't worry about it. We're recording.
You say you're trying to put it back in.